Most tire shops lose sales in one moment. A customer stands at the counter and says, "I can get these tires cheaper online." Many shop owners panic, drop the price, or argue. And that's where the real mistake happens. Here's the truth. That sentence is not always about price. Most customers are simply checking if they're making the right decision. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say, how to stay confident, and how to turn that moment into trust instead of losing the sale. Tires are not like buying a phone case online. They affect safety, driving comfort, and reliability. When someone buys tires, they're also buying advice, fitting, and support. That's why how a tire shop responds in this moment matters so much. First, understand why customers say this. Most of the time, they are not trying to insult your price. They're trying to confirm they are not overpaying. Today, people compare everything online: hotels, flights, electronics, and of course tires. So when a customer mentions an online price, it usually means they want reassurance. This is where most tire shops mess up. Instead of reassuring the customer, they become defensive. You may have heard responses like, "Those tires online are rubbish," or "They don't include fitting," or even worse, "Everyone says that." The problem with these responses is simple. They sound emotional and defensive. The customer immediately feels like they are being pushed or argued with. And when customers feel uncomfortable, they walk away. So, what's the smarter response? A simple line that works surprisingly well is this: "Yes, you probably can. It depends what you're comparing." Notice how calm that sounds. You're not arguing. You're not saying they're wrong. You're simply opening a conversation. That one sentence lowers tension instantly. Here's something no one talks about. Many customers actually want you to explain the difference. They just don't want to feel embarrassed for asking. So, once you acknowledge the price comparison, calmly explain what online purchases can involve. For example, tires ordered online can sometimes be the wrong size or specification. Many customers don't know the difference between load ratings, speed ratings, or vehicle requirements. One small mistake means delays and returns. Then there's delivery. Sometimes tires arrive late or damaged, and suddenly the cheap price becomes days of waiting. And don't forget fitting costs. Online prices often look cheaper because fitting is separate. By the time customers pay for installation, balancing, and disposal, the final price may not be very different. This is where you bring the conversation back to value. Instead of defending your price, highlight what the customer actually receives. Explain that the tires are checked for the correct size before fitting. The customer gets professional installation. And if there's ever a problem, they can come back to the same place for support. Think about the difference from the customer's perspective. One option involves ordering, waiting, arranging fitting, and possibly dealing with returns. The other option is simple: drive in, get the correct tires fitted, and leave safely. Don't skip this part. Simplicity is powerful. Now here's another mistake tire shops often make. They only offer one option. If a customer hears just one price, they naturally compare it with the cheapest thing they saw online. Instead, show clear choices. Offer a budget option, a mid-range option, and a premium option. This helps customers compare properly and feel in control of the decision. For example, a customer might start by thinking they want the cheapest tire possible. But when they see the difference in durability, grip, or warranty, many decide the mid-range tire is actually the smarter choice. Choice changes the conversation from price to decision. Let me ask you something. When you buy something important, do you only look at the lowest price? Or do you look for the best balance between price and reliability? Most customers think the same way. This is where many sales are quietly won. Now let's talk about something important that many businesses struggle with: knowing when to walk away. Not every customer will choose your shop. Some people only care about the lowest number they see on a screen. They will drive across town to save a few pounds or dollars. And that's okay. Trying to compete with every online price can slowly destroy your margins and your standards. A strong tire shop focuses on service, expertise, and trust. Not just being the cheapest option in the market, Here's a question worth thinking about. Would you rather have 10 customers who trust your advice or 20 customers who only come when you're the cheapest? The long-term success of a business almost always comes from the first group. So the next time a customer says, "I can get tires cheaper online," remember this approach. Stay calm and acknowledge their point. Explain the differences clearly without arguing. Bring the conversation back to value and convenience. Offer clear options so the customer can choose confidently. And if someone only wants the cheapest possible price, let them go without frustration. Because the real goal isn't to win every argument about price. The real goal is to build trust. And once customers trust a tire shop, they usually come back again and again. If practical, real-world business advice like this helps you think differently about customer conversations, subscribe for more insights that make running a shop simpler, smarter, and more profitable. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tire fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tires aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tire wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tires all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tire businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.